show ya. Wish for me to call you when you turn me on. The way you telling me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you're all doing well. Thanks so much for being here today. Let's jump into today's install and review.
Gonna be sweet day.
Today's hair sponsor is SHEIN. They have good wigs. Don't sleep on SHEIN. They have affordable wigs, and I have installed a 28-inch 13x4 frontal wig. This is in the transparent lace honey blonde brown highlight color. 28 inches. It's 180% density.
Telling me you need me, but I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like con money. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel.
It's not bad, the color. Oh, it does work. Look at the difference. Okay. That lace mousse is good. And they got my color perfectly. How did they know that? Okay, there's way too much lace, so let's cut some of that off. It made it look perfecto. Because do you see that? Because I've been enjoying using this again lately.
You're coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight.
Not it under your double chin. I'm kidding. If you don't have a double chin, you're lucky. Can't relate.
Ever, thanks, baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I.
Still wet.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall.
I put some Ebon on the back of my palm, and I'm just melting the hairline with the same product that we used to secure it because it does such a wonderful job. So I'm going over any section that looks like it's lifting. Basically, we're just melting that hairline.
Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard.
So I'm going to come back when it's dry, okay?
Sometimes I fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh.
Guys, I did try out the SHEIN styling products, and that's kind of where I went wrong today in today's install, because it made the lace pretty dark. Like, I wasn't sure how dark it was going to look because it said light brown. Make sure you don't put a lot of it on because it really does work and it oxidizes. So once it dries darker. I learned that the hard way today, but I think I managed to save the install and still make it look good. Now, it's just one of those where if you go like really close, can you see it? Yeah, maybe, but it's not so bad. Giving more like a kinky curly texture when it's dry. I did put some mousse and stuff, and I find like when I put mousse it just dry more frizzy, but if you want it more defined, you just gotta like basically not put any products in it, just use water or like conditioner spray. But that's why I don't usually use mousse, because I noticed that it gives like a frizzier dry down. But it's a really beautiful wig. Right now there's a sale going on. They actually always have sales, but if you want to see the special sale wigs, you have to just type in the search box on shein.com, enter wig 11 in the SHEIN search box, and it'll pop up. It'll show you guys all the available sale wigs. They even have wigs that are under $25. There's also another code that you can use, wigs24, to save more discounts. And I love that for you, that you guys can save extra coins and get special sale wigs. This wig is beautiful. If you want to purchase this wig, of course I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. Don't sleep on SHEIN because they have beautiful wigs. They have really nice long wigs. If you want like a long bust down, go to shein.com. You're gonna be surprised at all the wigs that they have. They literally have so many different styles that you can choose from, and I love the variety that they have. That is all for today. I hope you found this review helpful, informative, or you simply just enjoyed watching and keeping my company while I got ready today. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and leave a comment on your thoughts, and of course go shop this wig and go pick some other stuff up at shein.com. I had to run. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now.